Let us see some types of modern teaching methods. Like other fields, the face of education has also evolved drastically over this period. Earlier, teachers were the only means to create a bridge between education and learners. They were using conventional pedagogical methods to explain the topic or to provide notes. However, the modern education sees a vast scenario which encourages learners to study profoundly and study to satisfy their curiosity. Previously, if a student asks a question to the teacher may scold the student, which will not allow any other student to ask any more questions. Actually, if we start observing small kids, they will be asking n number of questions. That is what we call it as curiosity. When they ask more questions, they will learn more. But if we are going to nib it off in the very beginning, when they stop asking questions, their curiosity comes down, learning comes down, innovation comes down, and creativity also comes down. Their thinking will also stop. So this is what is the need of the hour. In recent years, we are getting introduced with different modern teaching methods, and the introduction of technology along with innovative ways to teach has brought a revolution in the education sector. So I'm going to discuss with some methods. The first method in this video, I'm going to talk about the collaborative learning. Earlier, when students were asked to revise the topic or syllabus during an examination or on a regular days, they used to revise the syllabus in isolation or at home. This practice was widespread in traditional teaching methods. To deal with this issue or provide a more useful platform for students, schools are coming up with collaborative learning. Not only schools, even in colleges, universities, this practice is being implemented. And this is a practice in foreign universities as a regular classwork. They will have group projects. They'll have to discuss. Collaborative learning has been inculcated as a compulsory teaching learning process in abroad universities and schools. In this modern teaching methods, teachers form a group of students where they can solve their problem, debates on topics, and clear their queries. So when you start talking about a topic, a lot of new ideas will come into your mind. And also you will listen to others' ideas. And you will also start appreciating others' views. So this makes collaborative learning to understand people, to work with people, and people management. And this helps in developing social skills and allows students to understand the subject faster. In this modern teaching method, every student is a part of the success of a group as they help each other to reach the desired result. And they also learn communication and with each other. They know how to communicate with each other. And in an industry setup, we cannot stand alone work on any project. We need to have a team and we need to work with people and we need to coordinate with people and collaborate with the people. So this particular skill which they learn in the school or college will help them in the future. Learners learn to tolerate others, develop skills to listen to others and how to work in a team. They will be able to meet different personalities and can get a genuine review of their work. Students present their ideas and expect a response when they are in a group learning. It allows them to exchange their creativity and gain more knowledge. In return, it helps them to learn to face healthy criticism and cross questions. This is very important because we don't have that opportunity at home, because many child or many families have single children, single child. So they don't have an opportunity to work with other person, understand the other person, coordinate with other person, giving and taking. All those things are missing at home. So they need to have a collaborative learning method, which will also develop their social skills and people skills. So the school management and the college management and the university should choose to take up a collaborative method of teaching to teach their students. They just need to make a few changes in the layout of the classroom, replace desks to whiteboard surfaces so the groups can work together with ease. Why don't you try it in your institution and leave in a comment your experience and the benefits, what you get through that. Stay blessed.